STEM fans, are you ready? Let's hear it for your world-class NASA All-Star STEM team. From NASA centers across the country, Monica Kuzik, Rafael Mercado, vette RiveraPonte, Erin Yazzi, Nakisha Davis, and James.
I am an engineering technician at NASA Langley Research Center in Aerospace Composite Models Development, where we fabricate research model aircraft and spacecraft to be tested in wind tunnels. My name is Sam James, and I grew up in Elizabeth City, North Carolina. I graduated from Elizabeth City State University with a BS degree in industrial technology. As a kid, I always tried to find a better way of doing things, and new technology fascinated me. My advice to students is do not let your failures keep you from being successful.
I'm Vette RiveraPonte, and I'm a project engineer at the NASA Kennedy Space Center, where I support the new space launch system. I grew up in Mayagüez, Puerto Rico, and I currently live in Orlando, Florida. My grandfather was the first person to introduce me to engineering, and I discovered I can combine my love for math and space in this field. I earned my bachelor's degree in civil engineering and my master's degree in structural engineering. My advice to students, never give up on your dreams.
I'm Erin Yazzi. I grew up in Holbrook, Arizona, a small town near the Navajo Nation. As a kid, I played outside in the Rocky Desert using my imagination to invent and build things. I graduated from Stanford University with a degree in mechanical engineering. I now work at the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, where I help design and build Mars rovers and landers that play in the desert, just like I used to. For all you students out there with a big imagination, you're already on your way to becoming a great engineer.
I'm Nakisha Davis. I'm originally from the Washington, D.C. area. My love for math and science really stemmed from NASA-sponsored programs I attended in middle school. I have college degrees from Spelman College and the University of Alabama in Huntsville in mathematics, aerospace engineering, and systems engineering. I work as an aerospace engineer at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, where I develop and test hardware and software for point and control systems of spacecrafts. My advice for students is to never give up. Your efforts will definitely pay off in the end.
Hi, I'm Rafael Mercado, and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. When I was younger, I loved taking things apart just to see how they worked. That led me to earning my associate's degree in manufacturing and industrial engineering technology. I currently work at NASA Glenn Research Center as an instrument maker apprentice. I make and install sensors on models. This helps engineers and researchers visualize what's happening to the hardware during a test. My advice to students, don't allow anyone or anything to prevent you from achieving your goals. Hard work and dedication can open almost any door.
I'm Monica Kuzik. I'm from Avon, Ohio, just outside of Cleveland. I graduated from Rose-Hulman with a degree in chemical engineering, and I now work as a gas and fluid systems engineer at the NASA Glenn Research Center, where I design and develop new technologies for everything from cryogenics to fuel cells to experiments on the International Space Station. I love engineering because it lets me solve new and challenging problems every day. And my advice to students, always work hard, follow your passion, and never, ever give up.
One more time, make some noise for your NASA All-Stars.